Good morning students. Welcome to Narayana Live Classes. Today as a part of our assignment, we are going to discuss the key based on the topic packing, written by Jerome K. Jerome. The present story packing is an extract from Three Men in a Boat. Here we have to see that many a times we go on trips and we have to do a lot of packing. Sometimes we forget many things. So this is the story is all about packing. How the three friends, they were confused or they were troubled in packing. Okay. Now I will be writing some questions on the board. Please note down. Question number 1. Question number 1. What did George do to butter? What did George do to butter? What did George do to butter? Answer: George trod on the butter. George trod on the butter. Okay. I will be writing the question number 2 here. Question number 2. Who was Montmorency? Who was Montmorency? Answer to this question: Montmorency was the author's pet. Montmorency was the author's pet. Question number 3 I will be writing. What did Montmorency do to the jam? Answer to this question, question number 3 answer: he put his leg into the jam. He put his leg into the jam. So I will be reading the 3 questions once again. What did George do to butter? George trod on the butter. Who was Montmorency? Montmorency was the author's pet. What did Montmorency do to the jam? Montmorency put his leg into the jam. Now let us see question number 4. Question number 4. Okay. What did Montmorency pretend the lemons? What did Montmorency pretend the lemons? Answer: Montmorency pretended the lemons were rats. He pretended He pretended the lemons were rats. The lemons were rats. Okay. Now question number 5. At what time was all the packing finished? Was all the packing finished? Answer: all the packing finished at 12:50 a.m. All the packing finished at 12:50 a.m. Now I will be writing the other 3 questions over here. Question number 6. Who offered to pack hampers? Who offered to pack hampers? Answer to this question: George and Harris. George and Harris offered to pack hampers. Question number 7. What had the author not intended in the beginning? What had the author not intended What had the author not intended in the beginning? Answer to this question: he had not intended that he should work and rest. He had not intended that he should work and rest. Question number 8 Question number 8. What did he find when he had shut and strapped the bag? What did he find when he had shut and strapped the bag? Answer to this question: he found that he had packed his tobacco pouch in. He found that he had packed his tobacco pouch in. Now let us see the questions. What did Montgomery pretend the lemons? He pretended the lemons were rats. Next question. At what time was all the packing finished? All the packing finished at 12:50 a.m. Now let us see here. Question number 6. Who offered to pack hampers? George and Harris offered to pack hampers. Question number 7. What had the author not intended in the beginning? The author had not intended that he should work and rest. Question number 8. What did he find when he had shut and strapped the bag? He found that he had packed his tobacco pouch in. So these are the questions related to our assignment packing, children. I hope you have noted down everything, and once again I remind you to refer the textbook once again. Once again you read the textbook lesson so that you can understand all the questions in a better way. Thank you. Have a nice day.